Hello team! Welcome to this podcast. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 4 main rules to scalp the US30 ni Abdallah. So, this video po is for those people who want to learn scalping. Yung gustong kumita with just 7 to 10 pips lang po. At si Abdallah, para lang may idea po sila, ito po yung ating educator na nagbibigay ng daily live trading sessions sa US30. So, ituturo niya po sa atin yung strategy na ginagamit niya mismo sa kanyang daily trading talaga. Bali, si Abdallah po, meron na siyang 18 years of experience. So, siya na yung nag-aral, siya na yung naghanap, siya na yung, naghanap ng effective strategy, ipinapasa na lang niya po sa atin. So, panoorin niyo po ito kasi sobrang dami niyong matututunan. Make sure to take down notes. And after niyong panoorin ito ng isang beses, panoorin niyo pa ulit ng paulit-ulit hanggang sa ma-familiarize ang mind niyo, yung eyes niyo na makaspot ng mga ganitong scenarios sa trading. Para kapag nakanood na kayo sa live trading sessions niya, makarelate na kayo at ready na kayo mag-trade. Pero wag muna kayo mag-trade sa demo account. So make sure sa real account, ay, mali, sorry. Wag muna kayo mag-trade sa real account and make sure sa demo account kayo mag-trade muna. Dahil sa scalping, usually malalaki po ang lot size na ginagamit dito. And if hindi ka pa aware sa pips na sinasabi, please make sure to review those topics sa ating ECA course. Watch our videos there or you can ask me para makaka-relate ka kapag nanonood ka na ng live trading sessions. And kung talagang hirap ka pa rin, naintindihin yung strategy na mapapanood mo later, don't worry, ang kailangan mo lang naman gawin is to copy-paste yung mga sinesend niyang signals doon sa live sessions. Kailan dapat marunong kang umintindi ng mga buy stop tsaka sell stop niya. Marunong kang mag-place ng pending orders. Or alam mo kung ano yung pipindot mo pag nagsabi na siya na guys, it's time to buy, if the price will break the high, mga ganyang terms niya. So, ayun, hindi ko na patatagalin. Please watch this video about the 4 main rules to scalp the US30. Part 1 pa lang po ito. Panoorin niyo yung susunod na session. May iba pa siyang backtesting session na i-share ko sa inyo. So, ayun, I hope may matutunan kayo dito sa video na ito. And please watch his live trading sessions dito sa ating ECA Masterclass. So, let's get started. Dito siya makikita guys pala sa ECA live trading session, US30. So, meron dito sa intro. So, you have to click the word intro para lumabas ito. Yan, ito siya. Tapos, ayan, panoorin mo din to. And then, dito naman po sa may advanced, nandiyan din yung, kagaya nung kanina, yung backtesting din niya. So, ito rin. Basta panoorin nyo to guys para makarelate kayo.
Okay, I will try
Okay?
my best.
So, wait lang. Hindi yan. Ito, dito tayo. Sa intro muna kayo. Okay, let's watch.
Okay. Okay, so hello everyone to this backtesting session today. This backtesting session is super important because we had an amazing week on the US30 for the live. This is the backtesting session for the live sessions on the US30 for the scalp that we do every day almost from Monday till Friday, except if we have any flight or something like this. So this week was an amazing week. So we will go through all these trades. This is not a Q&A session. The Friday community call is the Q&A session, like yesterday. Today, it's like strategy session to backtest again and see how we took every trade. Where was the stop loss? Where was take profit? How do we take it? So it's very important for you to focus with us on this. Okay, So here we are. Here we are. Okay. Okay. So hello, everyone. We will start. Yeah, let me check something. So, okay, here is the first day. This was Monday 14 at the US Open mainly. We had this formation. So, how do we put our stop loss? How do we put our support, our resistance? Simply, as you can see here, we have this area, we have many fluctuation here, and we have kind of resistance area here. So we put the first resistance area here at the top. And then for the support area also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we put the support area here below this level. Here we can have a wick fill. Also, always if there is only one moving down, this is not a problem. Okay, so what we do exactly, if it, oh, this is kind of double bottom we said. So if it makes a wick down here, this is the first bottom, 1. This is the second bottom, 2. And I will expect if we break this resistance to push up. We have a clean traffic on the left. It's very simple. The most important part in our system, the most important part is to check exactly all the study, to put all the plan for the study before you enter the market. This is very important. Before you enter the market, you put all the study plan. Okay. So here it opened and it went up. There was almost no wick as we saw before on the live, but it went up the way. It was super fast. We couldn't take the buy. It was super fast, to be honest. It was nice. What happened exactly is after this, when the candle, and this is here very important, when the candle opened, why? I'm still expecting a push up. I'm still in it. The momentum, the volume is, we have here low, we have higher low, we are in a bullish momentum, we have the double bottom. I should expect to resume up. What I will do here, if it opens here, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, I have a wick here. I will take a wick fill up trade of 5, 7, 10 pips almost, so I can secure my profit. I only take wick fill with the high volume. I only take wick fill in coordination with the trend. It must go in the same direction of the trend. If it's a bullish trend, I take a wick fill bullish. If it's a bearish trend, I take a wick fill bearish. So it's very important to take it in the right way. So what happened here? Okay, what happened here? It opened, made the wick down, and then after this, look, this wick down, now pushing up will push me personally to go for the buy, especially when it breaks the high of the same candle, securing 10 pips, 12 pips here, and getting out if you want to go for the hit and run thing. Personally, I got out. Some people would leave it to make the full wick fill. You can. What is my stop loss when I enter here? Now, this is the question. Some people ask me, what is my stop loss? Of course, there is no stop loss like I can write or take profit I can write. It's on the click buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, close, sell, close. So the stop loss of this is the low of the same candle. Why? Because it made the rubber move down and then it's ready to go up. Okay, it made the liquidity grab down and now it's ready to continue up. So I should not expect this to go back down. If it goes back down and break the low of the same candle, out, fast out. Sometimes it makes it. It goes back and hit the stop loss. I close it and then it start to push back. What do I do in this case? I give it the second chance. I give it another buy because it will compensate my first stop loss. If it's doing this for the third time, of course I stop because here there is a fluctuation in the market. So this was here in this case, my first buy. I go for it, then making some profits. I close it, it's done. And the lot size should be aligned with a 1%. Here you have a $10,000 account. You made already between $70 if 7 pips to $130 if 13 pips. Imagine between 0.7%, 0.70%, less than 1% to 1%, 1.3% in a trade. Okay, not risking more than 1% in a few seconds. Okay. Then, now the scenario that I should check. Now, if it start to push back down and break the low of the same candle, what it will be for me? It will be my potential sell. So I put my support at this level. In case it continues up, that's perfect. Breaking this previous high will push me for a new buy to push up. And now if it breaks the low of the same candle again, this means that it didn't have the enough volume as bulls. The bulls didn't have the enough volume to go up and the bears are winning over the bulls. So let's see what happens. You can see it's kind of rejecting. Now, if it breaks the low of the same candle, it will be my sell. My stop loss will always be at 1% maximum, especially if I made 1%. Here it made 7, 8 pips. You can close it. Already done 10 pips. You can close it. Very simple. Once you have the right understanding of the Dow, how it will work, how it works, you make money. Only 2 trades we did that day. Okay, and as you can see, you can make 2%, 1% in first trade, 1% in second trade, 2 trades making 2% of your account. Not bad. Okay, then we move to Tuesday. Next day. As simple as that, guys. The strategy is as simple as that. Okay, price action, wick up, wick down, using the volume. Please write down always. You have 4 main, remember guys, you have 4 main rules for any trade to go into. If there is one missing, you don't go. First, the trend. Second, the volume. Third, the price action, breaking the sequence up, down, the support and the resistance. Okay, and fourth, the reversal that you might have. You should check first volume, then look, I forgot. Volume, trend line. خلاص علقت. Okay, I forgot, guys. I just said it, but I forgot. I don't know why. Okay, we have the price action, the candles. We have the volume. We have the support and the resistance, and we have the trend. Okay, trend line, volume. That's why we do it on the open of the US. Trend line, volume, price action, and the support and the resistance, the candle move and the support, the resistance where we can do. Okay. So the reversals are more advanced, the reversals, but also it uses the same four criteria for any trade, whether it's a wick fill, whether it's a reversal, whether it's with the trend. What you need always are these four things. If you don't have these four things, the wick, guys. Okay, this is very important. Now I remember. We have the wick, يعني it should open, make a wick down, and then to go up for it. It should open, make a wick up, and then to go down. If there is no wick, okay, I will write them down not to forget. 1, we have the volume. 2, I will write them here on the chart. Where is the textbooks? Here it is. Okay. 1, we have the volume, and that's why we choose the US session open for the US30, where the volume is big. 2, we have the wick. The wick, if there is no wick, we don't take the trade. The wick as a rubber, because it makes the liquidity grab and then poop for the buy, or it opens, makes a wick up and poop for the sell down. So always we need the wick. 3, we need the price action or candles move. We need to break these things for price action, to break the support, to break the resistance. We need this price action, sorry, between the candle breaking the support or the resistance, and we need the trend. Okay, whether it's bullish or bearish. This is like a checkbox for any trade. Okay, if you don't have this checkbox, if one of these is missing, personally I do not go into a trade. I do not go into a trade. Okay, if one is missing, 3 out of 4, I don't take the trade. If there is no volume, even if there is a wick, price action, candle, trend, I don't take it. If there is no wick, even if there is a volume and price action, the resistance and the support, and the candle is breaking and the trend is up, I don't take if there's no wick, and the others for the same. If I have these four, I take the trade. That's what's called quality trades. Okay, these 4 criteria should apply to have a quality trade. Hitting. Okay, and a quality trade success rate is minimum 90% to max, of course, 100%. Okay, if something happened in the market, something abnormal happened, okay, this is one of the 10% of the 10%. Like every 10 trades, you will hit 9 trades minimum. Maybe 1 trade you will not hit. And if really the market, and you understand the market, you get the skills in this, you will be able to make 100% in it, as we are doing for the last 7 months almost. Even if the market conditions, sometimes you feel it's not working. So these 4 things, criteria, plus your understanding and memorizing of the way the Dow moves, it will help you big time to understand how the market works and to have the highest success rate. To get into these 90% and 100% success rate, you will need at least between 3 to 6 months to get skilled, to be fast, to have the right broker, financial institution, to have the fast execution, to understand and see it. Like I say always, it's like a movie. Like we see it every time. Now the live sessions are becoming backtesting session for us. So it's like I don't differentiate between the backtesting and the live session. Same emotions, same mastering the emotions, same everything. So it's very important, guys, to trade in it. This weekly overview, I will continue with it, but I will download it and upload it on YouTube, and I will send it to you guys. I will pin it on the video, so you can watch it and you can always see it, and especially for new people who are joining. Okay. So second day, what happened? This is second day. خلص checkbox, finished checkbox. Okay. What happens in the second day? Okay. This was the candle. I will remove now. Done. So this was the second candle. The US Open. Okay. Now, usually what do I have? I have this resistance at the up of this candle. I have this support at the low. Why the support is here? When you have two wicks who are very close, you choose the second one, not the same candle one, because after this, I need this clean traffic down for the potential sell. So what happens here? First, the candle opened and went up directly. Do I take the buy? It opened and went up directly. Is there a wick down? No, there is no wick down, so I do not take the trade. So I wait. And then it went down. Oh, now what do I see? You have to be fast. Step by step, you will be fast. What do I see? Okay, now I have a wick down. We have a trend up. So if it breaks the high of the same candle, I will have a potential up, because now I have the wick down being formed in a bullish trend. So I will be waiting a break up to go for the buy. And that's why I tell you always, with time, you will understand what I do. So you will do it with me, not you will hear my voice. You will not wait to hear my voice. You will be doing it with me at the same time. So, because we will have a delay of 2 seconds, 3 seconds, depending on the countries, which is also the trade. Yani. Okay, so the time of the trade sometimes. So now I'm waiting for the buy, wick down. It's pushing up back. Oh, this is what I need. Checkbox. I have the volume. I'm still in the 15 seconds of this candle. 2, I have a wick down. 3, I'm in a bullish trend. Price action breaking the resistance is up. 4, checkbox. 4, confirmed condition. There is no reason for me not to go into this trade. No reason. Unless emotion, I'm afraid to take a trade. This is something different. Okay, so I go for the buy. I create 9 pips, 10 pips confirmed, and I'm out. 10 pips confirmed. That's simple. Do you see it complicated, guys? Seriously, do you see it complicated? 4 things. Once confirmed, you take the trade. You make money. Now we are 3.5%. Let's say 3% in 3 trades in 2 days. 3%. Done for this. Okay, and then let's see. Now, what do I have? Now, after taking this trade, now I take the sell scenario. What is the sell scenario? In case now it reverse down and break the low of the same candle, which is the sequence of this, okay? Yes, we open and close the trades live. Don't ask questions, guys. It's not a Q&A question. Okay, this is not a Q&A session. These things are simple. You ask it in the Friday community call. But I will answer today because I will upload this session as a training session for people who are joining new. You have the desk of the market, MT5 live. You put it not on the smartphone, MT5 desktop. You have the desk of the market. You have buy close, sell close, buy close, sell close. You click it in less than 1 second when you want to do it. So the only way to trade the scalp is this scalp. Of course, you need to have high connection speed, not very low, yani medium to high, in order to be able also to trade in the right way. Now I'm looking for the sell. If it reverses down after all this move up, because also we have to consider that it might reverse. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles, we might have a certain reversal after it, especially using the scalp. It's still pushing up. I took my buy. Now I will be looking for a sell. Even this candle must close until to see if I make the buy for the next candle, or if this candle also close or stay here, we will be taking the sell if it breaks the low of the same candle, because we will have a reversal wick, big wick down, big reversal down, and we'll be ready for the sell. Look what happened here. It broke down, taking the sell and confirming the profit. So that moment we took the profit, by the way. I took it late. Yeah, here it was pushing down. Sometimes I take it a little bit late here because I'm on the speed. So I put this tick 79, which is faster than the normal market. Okay, but you got the point. Yani once it reversed, breaking the low almost, you start having the sell for it. Okay, look here, it's reversing, breaking the low of this candle. You take the sell for it, you make your profit, you are out, and it's done. Okay, 4 trades, 4%, 100% success rate. Now, what should I be looking for? Very simple. I should be looking for this. This is the low of this candle. Now we have a reversal. If it opens, makes a wick up, and then start to push down, I will be looking for the sell below the low of this candle, and breaking the high here of this candle can push me for a potential buy. Personally, when I see a red candle with all this big wick, I start spotting on the sell more than the buy, especially after all this move up. So I will be looking more for the sell. I will look for a lower high from the one before, and then I look for the potential sell. When I take the sell, and where will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be at above the high of the same candle on this red line. Why? Because I do not wish to see this candle going up back and breaking the high of this candle. It will be a buy for a wick fill up. Now it's making the wick fill down. It made it. I don't take it because it's still not a bearish trend. So I don't take the wick fill down. I will wait until it breaks the low of this candle. I take the sell. I make 10 pips, which is already done. Look, it meant always it went down to 20 pips, and I close it. 5 trades, making around 5-6%. We will hit 10% and more than 10% in 1 week. Imagine, in less than 1 week, we hit 10%. This is the beauty of the scalp. Once you understand it, it's the most place and safest place to make money and to grow small accounts. Okay? So, we go for day 3, Wednesday. Look what a lovely reversal here. As you can see, the market is moving down all the way. And then this is the resistance area. It started to consolidate here, getting ready to break up again with the clean traffic. So I put this resistance at this level. I have a clean traffic till this level. What should I be expecting after the US Open? Personally, I will be expecting a potential buy. So I will be waiting the potential buy to have a wick down and then to start pushing up. So now I'm looking for a wick down. This is the reversal part. Wick down, and then if it start to push up after all this move down, breaking this resistance, having clean traffic on the left, it will be my potential buy. So what happened here exactly? Exactly, I was the same like I was looking for. It made a wick down. This is my resistance here now at the high of the same candle. and then it started to push up. Sorry, it's fast as I told you. Okay, I am having now the buy going up for 10 pips, for 20 pips. It depends you as the trade. Full take profit done with the full wick fill, for the full clean traffic till this resistance. So this was the push up, it made it all. That simple, guys. That simple, you can make money. Okay? Imagine. 6 trades, making around 8% so far. 6 trades, 7 to 8%. Let's say 1% each trade, 6%. 6 trades, 3 days. Okay? Now, huge candle. It went up all the way. Of course, we didn't take it all. We are at this resistance. What can we see here? What can we expect for the next candle? A huge push up, breaking the resistance up. I should expect one thing. It opens, makes a wick down. I will take the wick fill up and push up more. The trend is fully bullish. The trend is fully bullish. Okay. So low, higher low, higher low, high, higher high, higher high. Now I should expect a higher low and to take it for a wick fill and higher high. 4 conditions are here. The volume is here, as you can see the candle. The wick, I need it to be down and then up. Then I have the trend line, the trend up, and the resistance, the price action is there, here. So everything is there. The 4 criterias are there. Now I'm ready to push for a buy if, only if, it makes the wick down to continue these 4 criteria. So what happened here? We had the wick down, as you can see. It opened, made the wick down. We are here. My stop loss is very close, guys. My stop loss is very close. Look, it's simple. Where is my stop loss in this trade? Here, below this. It's simple. It's around 10 pips. Perfect. So now any 10 pips and more, it's profit. Now I know what I have to lose. When you know what you have to lose, you are safe. When you know that you are making 90% success rate, you are safe. Because even if you lose one time, that's okay. This is not the end of the world. You will make it up in the next trade. But without making a revenge trade, without over trading or over risking. The 2 things that will make you lose your money is over trading, over risking. If you ask any person on planet Earth, I don't know if on other planets any alien trade, but I'm talking now only in our planet. So if you ask anyone and you know that he told you, like, for example, I lost my account was vanished, I lost the money or something, you will know that he did this or she did this because of 2 things. 2 things. Over risking without stop loss, without risk management, and over trading 10, 20, 30 trades per day where emotions will get involved more and more. Okay? The only way you can lose your account, your investment, your capital is to over risk or over trade. And that's why we do 2 to 3 trades maximum per day with the maximum risk management 1%. If you are consistent in this, you can see how the numbers are adding up. In 3 days, we are almost 8%. Okay? Let's say 6% for 6 trades. So now I took the buy here, and as you can see, full wick fill, 13 pips, full wick fill. I'm done. Okay? I took the wick fill. Halla, if I take 2 trades now, 2 clicks, I close the first one on the full wick fill. I wait, yani like if the second one, I keep it to break the resistance with a stop loss at entry. Personally, I prefer to close it to secure a trade. And then if it breaks up again, if it hits, move down, and then break up again, I can take the second buy. But if you keep it also, you can. Like this scenario, you can keep a runner, you can keep the second trade open and you can close only one trade, so you can see with the volume how much it will hit up. Now, last trade we took, very simple day, Wednesday. It was an amazing trading day with very high volume. Okay. Now it opened, almost directly went up. I couldn't take the trade. What happened here? It hit the resistance, the high of the previous candle, and then it retraced down a little bit. Look here, it retraced down a little bit, like taking, like the rubber. I call it the rubber move. Yani it goes down to push up again. So I was ready for the buy because I'm still seeking a new high. Now I have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Some people will ask me, okay, Abdallah, can we leave it from down till up? Actually, after it's being done here, I knew that it went all this way. But when I'm scalping, I want to secure money. I will secure percentage, now making almost 10%. I want to secure the money. I don't want to expect that it will continue all this way up, because most of the time it doesn't. So I close the trade. If I want to leave small runner or get to a smaller lot from down to see how much it will move up, you can do it as a swing trade for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Of course you can do it, guys. But here I'm scalping the US30. The beauty of the scalp, it's hit and run. Hit and run. I pop up, I take it 3, 4, 5 seconds, 2, 3 trades, higher lot, 1% per trade. I make the money, I close it, I'm safe. Okay? So here, okay, sorry, waiting for this buy, wick down, first time it hit, and second time breaking, it's my buy at this level. We took the buy and we close it. Okay, I was slow, to be honest, sorry. Okay, here, first time it broke, second time I take the buy, take the buy, close it at 8 pips, 10 pips. As you can see, I close it at 8, securing more profit and pushing more up. Okay, it's very simple, guys. The wick down, wick. Every candle has a wick. Every candle has a wick. Wick. This is the wick, the shadow, the wick of this candle. We need it in the rule to open, makes a wick down to make sure that it made the rubber move, the liquidity grab, and then while pushing up with the trend up, I take the buy. The 4 rules that I put before, okay? Now we move to the day 4. Thursday. Okay. Amo, I will not answer your question. You can watch the replay because I explained exactly what to do in these cases. This is not a Q&A session. Please review the session and you will see the 4 rules in order to enter any trade, okay? There is no instrument. The volume gets with the market. You will see it, okay? So, okay, I will not answer any more questions. You are wasting our time in these questions, guys. Friday community call is for the questions, okay? So now we are on the US here. US open again for Thursday. Big candle move up. Now what do we have? We have this resistance here and we'll see the support where it will be based on the move of this candle. The momentum is bullish, as you can see. So now if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, I will be looking for the buy. Pure wick down. There is no even wick up. This is exactly what I want. A wick down, low, higher lows, higher lows, higher low, higher low, and now I'm waiting this higher low to start with high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, and I will expect to have a new higher high to push up. So what happened exactly? It started to push down, having the wick up. We were waiting for this to take the buy for a new high. Now my stop loss is at the low of the same candle, around 20 pips. And then I take the buy, 10 pips, 11 pips. I close the trade. As simple as it is. The same rules. 4 things are here. Wick down is here. Trend line is here, up. Bullish trend. The price action resistance, everything is here. And the volume is here on the US Open. 4 confirmed. 4 confirmed. And it's pushing up. First buy done. Then, oops, my bad. Oof. Once again. Okay, first buy done. Ya Allah. Anyway, so now we wait the next candle. Okay, nothing in the next candle happened. Next candle, nothing happened. The next candle here, this was the important one for the trade we took. So we waited, we have low, higher low, higher low. Now we have the resistance at the high of this. So I will be waiting to break up if we have a wick down, and then it start to push up again, breaking the 2 highs, 2 point of resistance, this resistance area. So here at that point, I will be having the buy to make additional profits. Okay, I'll be having the buy. Okay, to make this profit, closing this trade at 10, 15 pips. Very simple. You close it and you make your profit. Very simple. Can't have easier than these trades. If you are not making money in our live session on the US30, you must watch back these sessions much more times and get these 4 rules. 3 out of 4 pillars of any entry in this strategy. If there is 3 out of 4, you don't take the trade. 3 out of 4, and you have to wait. Okay, and to use this Friday, last day, yesterday. Okay. It was a huge day. What happened here exactly? It went down. We had this resistance up at the reversal of this, and we have this support down. It opened, went down all the way, hit the support, did not break it. There is no wick, by the way. So no trade. I do not trade. And then it started to push up. I was waiting to break the resistance up. Why I took this resistance? Some people always ask, how do you take the support resistance? Look, it went up here and moved down. Poop. This is the resistance. It went up here and moved down. This is the resistance area. So why resistance area? The market is resisting to break this area. Now, if it breaks this area, I will take the buy. Especially now that it's making a big reversal. For me, this big reversal is my entry ticket. This big reversal is my entry ticket for this trade. So at some point you can wait for the break so you can take the trade. Okay. Here you take the buy. 5, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, so hello everyone to this backtesting session today. This backtesting. Okay. We go for day 3, Wednesday. Look what a lovely reversal here. Okay. When I take the sell, and where will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be at above the high of the same candle on this red line. Why? Because I do not wish to see this candle going up back and breaking the high of this candle. It will be a buy for a wick fill up here and move down. This is the resistance area. So why resistance area? The market is resisting to break this area. Now, if it breaks this area, I will take the buy. Especially now that it's making a big reversal. For me, this big reversal is my entry ticket. This big reversal is my entry ticket for this trade. So at some point you can wait for the break so you can take the trade. Okay. Here you take the buy. 5, 7, 8, 10 pips. You close the trade. Done. First trade done. We broke this resistance because now we have a volume. We have a reversal up. We have breaking up. And what can we spot here? As I was telling you yesterday. Also, I was spotting a pattern, which is an inverted head and shoulder. Look. Shoulder down. Head down. Another shoulder down. And it started to break up. We have a clean traffic on the left. Many things are confirmed when it comes to trading. You have to plan every single trade. The best traders, guys, are the traders who focus on the best trade to take, and then money comes secondary. It's not primary, the money. The money is a result of you taking the best trades, of you mastering your emotions, of you understanding the strategy, of you practicing in the right way. Result of all these, you make a good quality trades. The result is money. If you focus on money, you will never make money. Just know this. If you focus on money when you go into trading, you will not make money. Sorry for telling you this, but this is the reality. Okay? Then move down. What I said, like I was seeing this candle moving down, and I told you yesterday, because I'm still in a bullish volume, I will wait. If it breaks the high of the same candle, I will take another buy using the volume up and using the inverted head and shoulder and the break. First 10 pips I secured. It went down as the rubber move. I call it the rubber move, boop, and then up. down, and then up. I wait the down, I get ready in the down to go up if I see a bullish move. Okay, so, and now breaking again, the high of this candle, it will be my buy again for a new 10 pips. I close it, I scalped it twice, the same candle, I made money twice. And the last trade was here. I was waiting a wick down. It made the wick down. I was telling you guys, I will wait until it breaks up. If you are a riskier, not risky, a riskier trader, you can get the wick fill. Exactly, it was around 10 pips, this wick fill. If not, and you want to be on the safe side, you will have to wait the break up of this because the inverted head and shoulder target is not done yet. This is the target of the inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so it's not done yet. Okay, I hate making studies on the MT5 and MT4. I hate, to be honest. That's why I make the studies on. Anyway, so here, from this low to this resistance, which is the neckline, we project this here, so it should be the full target like around this level. So I see there is no full target done. I see there is wick down formation, so I'll be waiting for a push up to take the buy. Now, if you are a riskier trader, you take the wick fill for 10 pips. Now you can see the wick down forming. There is no even a wick up. This is what makes me more confident that I will be ready for the buy. Okay, you can take the trade once it breaks up. Okay, here, after all this wick, this is a potential buy. It made the full wick fill, as you can see. It made the full wick fill, as you can see, and then it retraced down. This was my most or biggest confirmation that now if it breaks the high of this same candle, which is also the resistance that I put for the previous candle, I will go for the buy to make my profit because it hit it, went back, the rubber move, and then it's getting ready to push up back. You take the buy, you make the money, you close the trade, and you say congrats. Okay, I took it late, by the way, but that's okay. Come on. Okay, moving up in this level, take it in front of you. Wick fill already, it went so amazing as the wick fill trade. 10 pips secured if you took it. But here is the buy. We made some profit out of it, and then we are out. The most important part is to be out after this in the right place. Okay, okay, 8 pips done. Close it. Almost 15%, let's say 13%. Here it's 17, but some trades we left them more in 1 week. More than 10 pips, 10% in 1 week, only by scalping the US30 in the middle of August, the week of the middle of August. That's how you make profit. That's how you hit 100% success rate, by confirming quality trades. Watch back this session to see the 4 main rules for any entry using this simple strategy for the scalp of the US30. And with practice, with time, you will be able to make all the money you need and all the profits you need. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully this session was really beneficial, guys, for you. Make sure to watch it over and over again. I will send the replay for the next 48 hours, and then I will upload it for you guys in order to watch it back. And every single person who join your team, who join your community, you send this. If they go into the live session saying, what are we trading? What are we doing? Where am I? and thinks stupid question like these, it will be your fault, guys, if they are part of your team. So best of luck, guys. See you.